Hello friends, my name is Alex. I represent Eurasian plant for construction equipment. Behind me you can see our GP series machine intended for bending screw flights of any geometry. In accordance with our tradition, we start annual promotion action. We offer a breathtaking discount of 20% for all our equipment. We have been producing this equipment for 4 years, and during this time we have delivered more than 120 machines to our customers. Just imagine, more than 120 companies all over the world are using our equipment and produce screw flights of ideal geometry. Today you have a chance to be among them. Now I'm gonna show you screw segments production process by means of our equipment. And in the end of this demo I will tell you how to get the rebate. Let's go! Let's take a closer look to the production cycle. Each machine is provided with software. Using the interface, operator inputs flight parameters, which are outer and inner diameters, thickness, pitch, and also grade of steel. According to the results issued by the software, operator adjusts the machine, selects the toolset and starts bending. Now you can see execution of one of our quotidian orders, as we not only produce the machinery, but meet the demands of the local screw flights market as well. Our equipment is universal, so we are able to produce wide range of auger segments using tool sets supplied with each machine. Thickness of the processed flight is 30 mm. Its weight is about 70 kg. The segment is rather heavy, that is why operator uses hoist to turn the flight. Hoist is optional and may be supplied with the main equipment. It is mounted next to the machine and allows to disengage other production facilities. Operator checks the pitch. Thickness is 30 mm. Perfect. And now I will tell you how to get the rebate. You may click the link below or dial the phone number on your screen, and our managers will get in touch with you and explain the details. The offer is valid till the 25th of December 2021. Equipment is available and ready for shipment. Good luck, my friends. Call us, acquire the equipment, get the rebate and produce screw flights. Eurasian plant for construction equipment.